Namaste, dear student. Introduction to Human Anatomy and Physiology. Here we discuss about what is anatomy and what is physiology. First, what is anatomy? Anatomy means study of the structure of particular organ. It's called the anatomy. That means study about the shape, size, location, and composition of the particular organ. It's called the anatomy. Physiology means study of the function. Means how to work a particular organ. It's called the anatomy. Sorry, it's called the physiology. First, anatomy. Study of the structure. That means in these photographs you can see those containing the so many varieties of the system as well as the organ in the human body. In these human body, this is the different varieties of organ containing. These organ combined together and that make one beautiful thing. This we can say this is the our body, means human body. Here one thing, anatomy of heart. That means location of heart, size of heart, composition of heart, shape of heart. This type of the study, we can say this is the anatomy. Another example I will explain to you. Intestine. Types of intestine, size of intestine, composition of intestine, shape of intestine, and location of intestine. This type of study, we can say this is the anatomy of intestine. Skin structure means layers of skin, shape of skin, composition of skin. It's called the anatomy of skin. So many here, lungs is there, this uterus is there, this is the stomach is there. So this is the different varieties of the organ and structure, shape, size, location, study. We can say this is the anatomy. Physiology means study of function. Here I will explain to you some examples. Here this is our hand. Those hand we pick up one road. This is the how the hand pick up the road. Those type of the system we can say this is the physiology. That means how the hand is working to holding the road. This is called the physiology of hand. Second example for heart. In this photograph you can see heart that become contractile. This contraction responsible for pumping the blood from the heart to different part of body. So how the heart is contract and heart is relaxed, this type of the study we can say this is the physiology. Third example I will give to you, from mouth we eat as well as drink water. These eat and drink water from the mouth to esophagus to stomach. So how do this water enter to inside the body? How the food material enter to inside the body? Through mouth. This type of the study we can say this is the physiology. Next is the level of organization of our body. Here you can see for making our organism means a beautiful human body, those require the sum of the levels. Let us start from the first. In initials, subatomic particles, those are combined together and that formation of the so many atoms. These atoms are combined together and that make molecules. That molecules are combined together and that formation of the macromolecules. Here you can see this is the so many molecule combined, that macromolecules. These so many macromolecule combined together and that formation of the organelles. We are very well known organelles we have to find out in the cells like the mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, nucleus, etc. Those combine together and that formation of cells. We are very well known structure and functional unit of body. It's called the cells. And these cells are combined together and that formation of the tissue. And the tissue are combined together and that formation of the organs. That means here I will give to you only one example of the stomach organ, but like the liver, also formation of the tissue, intestines, also formation of the tissue. That means any part of the body organs, those are combined in due to the tissue and that make organs. And these so many organs combine together and that make one beautiful system. Those we can say this here example I will give to this digestive system. And these total 11 varieties of the system combine together and that formation of our beautiful body. This body we can say this is the human body. So this is called the level of organization. This level of organization here we will discuss in more detail. First one, level of organization required some chemicals. Atoms, molecules and macromolecule. This is the three main component for the organization or human body. It's called the some chemicals. First one, atoms, made up of subatomic particles. Second one, molecule, two or more atom combined together and that formation of molecules. Two or more molecules combine together and that formation of macromolecule. So just in these first level, the some of the chemicals are responsible for organization, that means human body. In second step, level of organization requires some cellular composition. Like the macromolecules combine together and that formation of organelles like the mitochondria, ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, etc. Basic structure and function of the unit of the body, it's called the cells. Means these organelles are combined together and their formation of cell. It means this is the cellular composition are also responsible for development of human body. Next, the level of organization is tissue. Group of the cells working together and to perform the function, it's called the tissue. In our body, total mainly 4 varieties of the basic tissue are responsible for working of our body. First one, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue means muscles tissue and nervous tissue. Here you can see the cell combined together and that formation of tissue. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 cell combined together and that formation of tissue, and this tissue are responsible for working of specific function of the human body. Next, level of organization responsible organs. 2 or more tissue combined together with specific function, shape, it's called the organ. Suppose here one examples. Some tissue combined together and that formation of the stomach. And stomach having the specific function, storage of food, release of gastric acids and initial digestion of the food, those are happening into the stomach. This is the specific function we have to find out through specific tissue. It's called the organs. It's called the organs. And the last one, this is the systems. Level of organization that make systems means human system. Related organ with common function. Organs combine together and that make one specific function, it's called the system. It's called the organ system. Like the liver, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, gallbladders, pancreas, those are combined together and that make one system. Its system we can say this is the digestive system. So total 11 varieties of the system we have to find out in our human body. So let us see total. First one, integumentary system. Second one, muscular system. Third one, skeletal system. Fourth one, cardiovascular system. fifth one nervous system, sixth one respiratory system, seventh digestive system, eighth one urinary system, ninth reproductive system, in this male reproductive system as well as the female reproductive systems, 10th endocrine systems, and 11th is the lymphatic as well as the immune system. So total 11 varieties of the system. Let us we see into our next lecture. Thank you very much for showing my this first lecture. Thank you once again. Thank you.